everyone. Today's video finds us out here in the country. We are east of Lopburi, and we're out here near like one of the dams and reservoirs, and we're gonna take a look at probably like the number 5 thing to do in Lopburi. It's one of the top attractions. People come to Lopburi to come out here to see the sunflowers. So we're gonna walk out through here. Right behind me is like a new batch that's not quite bloomed out yet, but there are some that are bloomed out over this way. So let's walk over here and we'll take a look around, and I'll maybe try to break out the drone. It's a little windy, but I should be able to fly it, so we'll see what it looks like from the air. So let's enjoy this a little bit today. See kind of the countryside. There's some hills and there's temples and stuff like that built up all around, and then these are the new batch of sunflowers that will be blooming out here in a little while. You can see a little bit of the yellow, and then we got like the little flower or farmers market here, and then some of the sunflowers over here that are bloomed out. So we can see the field out here, and we'll walk through there. Looks like they have a little tower to take some pictures and stuff like that, and they have a coffee shop and just kind of the place here for the farmers to set up and sell a little bit of their wares. This is really popular for the Thais. They come out here, do all their Instagram photo shoots and stuff like that. So something to do. It's a little bit different than the temples and markets and stuff like that. These are kind of cool. Have some kites and various things. And some, if you forgot your little knit cap to take the pictures, you can buy one here. And of course they're selling sunflower seeds here. And some of the other little Thai snacks. So you can buy one bag for like 35, 3 for 100. The normal stuff that you see. And we got some of the little toys for the kids. And then down here, looks like you can ride around in the little farmer's wagon thing behind the tractor. We'll just walk up in. We don't need to do any of that. These gals have probably taken a million pictures. So it's 40 baht. So to go in is 40 baht for a foreigner or 20 baht for a Thai. So let's go over here and let's take a look. Oh, and she just clubbed him right there with that. She's getting excited with the little thing and then whacked him. So you can ride this for 10 baht. It's nice. There's a little breeze, so that wind's blowing. You don't have the heat to deal with this bad. And you got the welcome to sunflower. So a little platform over there, the bale of hay, so you can sit on the hay, take a picture with the sunflowers. And you got little swings. So these kind of the fields rotate every year. I came to a different place last year, but they kind of rotate them around so that all the other farmers can set up these for making a little bit of money. So when you get out here, you can kind of get in the general area, and then just they'll have some signs put up with pictures of sunflowers with an arrow, and you just follow them and come on over to places like this. So he's taking a picture of her taking a picture of herself. As we waited our line here, or waited in line. So this is the sunflower field, so you can ride the little four-wheeler also. It's quite cool. That'll be nice whenever that other one blooms out right over there. And then you can see all around, they have the cassava, they have the sugar cane, various other crops out there. Yeah, really nice area. All right, so we'll walk up and then I'll try to fly the drone here. Yeah, queue forms to go up there and sit on that little step thing. And all the ladies jumping in the sunflowers, having the best time. Yeah, they are nice. They grow a little bit of sunflowers back home, but the sunflowers really sap the soil, so you have to fertilize a lot between seasons or rotate the crops. Probably at least 50,000 photos are being taken right here. So yeah, I'm not sure what they've rotated in here. They got a little patch of this amongst the sunflowers. Another little platform to take some photos. Yeah, this is beautiful country out here though. Just kind of winds around. These little roads wind out through the farms and everything. And there's places where the Thais will just stop and they'll picnic out amongst the trees. Yeah, it's really a cool place to come. Get you out of Bangkok, especially for the city people. They can come out here and enjoy a little bit of the country. We'll just walk out here all the way to the end. Pleasant day. Yeah, really nice. So these sunflower heads, they follow the sun. So you see how they're all pointing the same direction. Kind of a interesting thing about them. You got the tractor coming here. So you can ride out here for 10 baht. And the sun's on this side, so they're all getting over out of the sun. Oh, it's great. Having a day. Ah, it's good fun. These gals found a huge one. Yeah, there's some pretty good sized ones down here. Yeah, really nice. Looks like we're almost to the end of the field. You can see the different crops around. It's kind of a little bit hilly here. Most Thai fields are just flatter than a pancake, but this one's got a little bit of hills that they farm up on. All right, I'll fly the drone from right here. I think this is as good a place as any. Yeah, I'll take one last look here. Yeah, it's quite beautiful with those sunflowers in bloom. I'm standing on the platform down here at the very end, and you can see them all that away. Lots of people out here walking around. You can ride that little tractor for 100 baht. I think you can ride those four-wheelers for 100 baht. I think that's the price of them. And you can see the hills off on the horizon. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, so this is pretty much a one-trick pony, but it's nice enough. It's one of the top things to do in Lopburi. So you can make the decision if it's worth 20 baht or whatever to come over here and see. She's got her umbrella out to keep out of the sun, and they're just tooling around in circles. Yeah, I think the best way is just to walk. It's not too far. Yeah, it'll be really, really nice when this part of it is in bloom. Probably next week it'll be really nice. Well, that'll finish up our video over here at this Lopburi sunflower field. This is nice enough. It's a nice change of pace to come out here and see stuff like this. It's always cool to get out here and enjoy a little bit of the Thai countryside. Rural Thailand is so nice. You never know what you'll see out here. The sunflowers are pretty cool. The whole area is nice. You could spend quite a bit of time going out here. There's camping and stuff also. There's little lakes, and you could go and spend a weekend, swim and do all that on the lake. So definitely something to do outside of the cities, which is always good. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and you get to see more stuff that I see and do and tell you a little bit about. And if you've seen this or if you've done it, let me know in a comment down below. Or if there's anything else you want me to do, let me know and I'll go do my best to make a video of it. And from over here in Lopburi, remember, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.